she goes! Tejas showing off its takeoff! And there she pulls up, piercing into the blue skies. Look to your right and you will see him carrying out a half roll. Now Tolly is positioning her for the next maneuver. Brace yourself for a hesitation roll. Look to your right as she accelerates and carry out a 4-point roll and stops each time over. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Not stopping to enthrall you all, she pulls up again to execute a vertical pitch back. Watch her curves as she goes up into the lovely skies of Bengaluru. And there she dives down like a beast to pick up the enemy. Tolly is now building up potential for a hard turn. And there you can see the pilot turning the aircraft to the left at maximum possible rate. This capability helps the pilot to quickly acquire the enemy during a combat, thanks to the excellent digital fly-by-wire system, which allows the pilot to maneuver in this fashion. Tolly is now positioning for the next maneuver called the red eye turn. Shift your gaze to your left. And there you can see him approaching from the left, and you can see him inverted. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the red eye turn. During this prolonged negative G-fly, the pilot experiences all the blood rushing to his head. Tolly is now carrying out a left wing over to position her directly at the audience. Ladies and gentlemen, look straight ahead. The pilot will now carry out a vertical Charlie in front of you. And there she goes up, pulling up into the sky, showing off her curves and the Delta platform. Watch her roll as she touches the sky with glory. She now comes down again for the next maneuver, especially for the Formula 1 fans. And that's exactly what the maneuver is, Formula 1 turn. Watch her go as she executes the turn like turning tight on a racetrack within a few hundred meters. Enthralled, are you? Well, the pilot surely is not done yet. Look to your left as Tolly positions for the next maneuver. Tolly starts knocking off some knots to greet this wonderful gathering and march past in slow pace. Any guesses on what his speed is like? Well, ladies and gentlemen, he is at 120 knots, and that is indeed slow. Even the wind stops to stare. see him carrying out rapid rolls, flaunting the agility of Tejas. He rolls and flies upside down. Well, that was Tolly's style of greeting you all the Spider-Man way. He now bids farewell to you all, and shortly you will see him coming in for a landing. Give a huge round of applause for the wonderful aerial ballet by the light combat aircraft Tejas.